Use the key to remove the battery. Press and hold the powered on button for 15 seconds to discharge the residual electrical energy. Use a 4mm hex key to remove the motor wire fasteners. Loosen and disconnect the motor wiring terminals. Use a 5mm hex key to remove the 2 screws that fix the disc brake caliper mount. Remove the chain from the chainring and the sprocket. Remove the rubber plugs on both sides. Let the rear wheel touch the ground. Use a 22mm hex socket wrench to remove the motor nut. Take out the shims. Unscrew the motor nut on the other side. Remove the shims and the motor wire hooks. Remove the motor. Avoid bumping the disc brake rotor to prevent deformation. Protect the motor wiring terminals from water ingress. Unscrew the valve cap. Deflate the inner tube. Lubricate both sides of the tire with soapy water. Use a tire lever to pry open a gap beside the valve. Then use another tire lever to pry out the tire. Remove the inner tube. Separate the tires from the wheel hubs. Inflate the inner tube until it slightly bulges. Insert the inner tube into the tire. The arrow on the tire is not on the same side as the disc brake rotor. Pass the valve through the wheel hub. First, fully insert the side of the tire without the disc brake rotor into the wheel hub. Lubricate both sides of the tire with soapy water. Then use a tire lever to fully insert the other side into the wheel hub. Confirm that both sides are fully inserted. Wipe the surface clean. Inflate the tire pressure to 45 psi. screw on the valve cap. Remove the items protecting the terminals. Arrange the motor wires at the angle shown in the video. Install the flat washer. Install an anti-rotation washer on the other side. Install it with the raised parts, facing outwards and downwards. Install the motor according to the angle of the motor wires shown in the video. Put the chain onto the sprocket and then install the motor. Place a black shim on one side of the chain. Place a stop washer on the side of the disc brake rotor with the raised part facing downwards and inwards. Install the motor wire hook with the hook facing inwards. Install the spring washer with the convex side facing inwards. Let the motor touch the ground. Apply thread a locking adhesive to the motor shaft. Pre-tighten the nuts. Pre-tighten the nut on the other side. Tighten the nuts on both sides alternately and repeatedly. Install the disc brake mount. Tighten the two fixing screws first. Squeeze the right brake lever and then tighten the fixing screws. Plug in the motor wire terminal aligning with the arrow. Install the motor wire buckle. Install the rubber plugs on both sides. Hang the chain on the chainring. Rotate the crank to make the chain fully engaged with the chainring. Install the battery.